Hi, my gualas. How y'all doing today? I missed y'all very much. Unfortunately, I had a case of food poisoning gotten from nowhere. I don't know. But how y'all doing? Yeah, I'm back. And I have some seafood, and I'm going to get into some things with the things, baby. Oh, hold on. I got some tissue. Well, y'all didn't need to know that, but I'm just trying to do my best. I got this little ring light. It's going to be flashing different colors. I don't know why in the world. I look all kind of crazy. Hold on. Wait a minute. And I think that's got right. But hey. So, anywho, I got some seafood here. It's all in a bowl. I hope y'all can see this because this camera is acting a little bit cray-cray today, and I ain't got time for it. I've been, like I said, sick. I'm just now starting to feel a little bit better, and I thought I'd make a video. Oh, look at my gloves. I have 2 cuts on my hand, on each finger, so I'm going to be using gloves. I forgot my scrub, but it's okay. How y'all doing? Like I already said. I'm going to start eating. I am hungry, though. I haven't been able to eat these last couple of days. I've been sick for like almost a week. But I'm doing a lot better. City not here, but she's doing fine. Oh, okay. I got some lobster tails. I got some crawfish, of course. Corn, eggs. And this is hot. It's not spicy. I think it's spicy hot and cooked hot because I just cooked it. But anywho, let me get this little thing up here from you. That's my garbage. Anywho, I got some things I want to talk about, like I said. Oh, this is a big old boy, Floyd, up in here. I hate using gloves. I wish I ain't had no cut. The seasoning on here is really good. I got these crawfish just from Giant Eagle. Just some water. Ain't nothing like some H2O, baby. This is like just Giant Eagle because I ain't been able to get out. And I'm hungry, sorry. I'm just gonna have to take what I can get. Right, just a bit. Sorry, right. This wig was given to me by a friend. I kind of like it giving me the vibe. I got this little headband. I don't even know if I'm wearing it right. It took me a year to put on because it was just too much. It took me a long time to put on. But anywho, I'm feeling it. I like it. You know, just like I said, being sick and, you know, trying to, oh, I'm so hungry. Being sick and just trying to get back right. Look at this lobster tail. Something in my eye. There's always something in my eye, ain't it? This stuff was cooked in my grill. Hold on, wait a minute. Ooh, I'm gonna have to edit that out. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Ooh, and I'm sweating too. Okay, anyhow. I'm gonna try to eat with this in my hand. Ugh, I ain't even no good. Anywho, I've been catching up on the news because, like I said, I've been sick. I've been catching up on my news because, like, I've been sick. So I do got a couple updates. Sorry, y'all. It's so much better at the bottom of this bowl. Ooh, my eggs are fun. Oop, I think I ate. It's a slippery fella. I thought I had, oh, I have a spoon. Oh, and I got some sausage too. I'm trying to go through everything so fast. Hold on. I got some updates, stories I've been telling, because like I said, I've been watching the news. I just gotta eat something. I don't know what the hell the maker's doing. Okay, anywho, I got some updates that I wrote down, and I was talking about the officer and the CEO and the inmate that had escaped. Excuse me. They were found. Unfortunately, Vicky White, she has passed away. When they had located them, she had a self-inflicted gunshot wound. So she is deceased. She passed away from her injuries. And the guy, he was apprehended without incident. He's back in Alabama in jail. He is going to face some other charges for, escape and all that. On another note, I had mentioned in a video about schools and kids and teachers, and I had said in a video that I was talking about Mary Kate Letourneau. I did not know she had passed away about a year ago, so I just wanted to update that. And on another note, a sad note, the Mississippi kids I talked about, they did recover 2 of the bodies. They are still looking for a 3rd one. And we just want to continue to pray for them, and as they look for closure in their time. Excuse me. So I'm sorry about all of that. So I just wanted to give an update about that. And more tragic news. It's always something tragic, and I'm sorry. And it was a shooting in New York, Buffalo, New York, a mass shooting. It was an 18-year-old suspect, white man, and I say this because they saying it's a hate crime. And 18 years old, Buffalo, New York, at a Tops grocery store. I heard that he shot outside the Tops grocery store, and they said he was wearing some tactic gear. Some tactic gear, and he was shouting racial slurs. I want to just keep them people in your prayers. He shot 13 people, and 10 people have succumbed to their injuries, and 11 of them was black. So you just want to try and live peacefully regardless of the color of your skin. And this man traveled over 200 miles. He didn't even stay in this district, this area. He traveled 200 miles to do this. Hours in your car. It's that much hate in your heart. You traveling hours, and he was well armed. Tactic gear. I just don't want to talk about it anymore. I'm sorry. I just wanted to say that. Keep them people in your prayers, as I will. I'm gonna continue to enjoy this food. Sorry, corn on that. Fun. Things are so spicy. I love me some crawfish. I don't know why these things ain't coming out today. Over here where I stay at, it's so hard to get like a boil. I had to travel all to XYZ to get a dang on boil. So, I love to cut some cross. But if I can do it myself, baby, that's where it's gonna be at. So last time I talked to y'all, like I said, I was sick, and I hope y'all didn't had a good Mother's Day, a good day period. I had some time with my family, my mom, my sister. Mm. Ooh. I had some time with my older son, my grandbaby. So it's good spending time with your family. You know, for me it is. Ooh, what's today? Oh, I'm just talking. I'm trying to get out and do some traveling. I went to Las Vegas a couple weeks ago to visit my daughter. My husband. I had a wonderful time. Like, calm down, girl. Are you swallowing? Oh, my God. Oh, those are peppers. I'm like, what the hell is that? You don't ever have any kind of sickness, poop on, you know, it's hard for you to eat if you can eat. Trying to keep down soup and all that stuff. And when I get a real meal, for the stomach left, I'm hungry. I'm gonna double back because there's only me eating this anyway. This sauce is good. Yeah, I did it. What did I put in here? It's definitely delicious. I'm sorry. I know this is a fairly new channel. I think for the people that's watching my video, the people that's commenting, people that support me, I thank y'all all. I really do. Oh, these are sweet. As y'all continue to grow with me, continue to watch me play. I do other things. I have other people on. If y'all just love my beautiful face, that's fine too. And my content, you know, I try to keep it real. I try not to try. My heart is not to cuss, but I cuss. But not on purpose, but I be just trying to tell my story. It's me. You know, I try to keep it real, try to get y'all the real. You know, sugar goes up here. So if I said something inappropriate or not for children, I'll definitely say that in the beginning of the video, like, this is not for children, this is going to contain this and this and that. Definitely say it in my bio, my description. But I try to keep it 100 over here. Ooh, God, please don't let me get that in that cut. This is so good, I promise you. What is in that butter? Ooh, I used some spicy beloved sauce too. I mean, spicy beloved seasoning. So I did use some of that. Oh, that's what I done different. I went to the store and I had got some garlic butter. I knew I was tasting something different. It's this garlic butter that I had got when I had added it in. I'm like, something tastes garlicky and different. It's extremely good. Ooh, another egg. Baby. Look at this. Can't beat that with a stick. Look at that. Put some toppings on there. I'm gonna say congratulations to my daughter who recently graduated high school. Hey, Queen. And also my daughter, Unique. She is graduating her course in phlebotomy. So I'm very, very, very proud of my daughters. So congratulations to you guys. Congratulations to all the high school people that are graduating prom. Make sure y'all behave yourself and please be safe. Finally got a sausage. Please be safe out there. There you go. Dang, where y'all been? Ooh. If 11 years wrong, now I want to be right. I'm so sorry. I've been so hungry. I got this. Oh, this is a headband from Amazon. It came with a set of 6. Come on now. I thought this little cup was cute. It changed colors when it's something cold drinking in. Probably something I picked up at Walmart. Oh, I was to say, Jesus, that's a big old cloud. I thought it was a cloud to the crawfish. That meat is sweet. These are Alaskan. Excuse me, Alaskan. They're really small, but they're really sweet. I ain't gonna complain. You know how I like to do that. I just crushed it together with my teeth and just mashed the meat out. It's good. Oh, there you go. Ain't gonna be that much talking. I was just trying to update y'all about a couple things. I'm trying to eat this food. Just sit here and enjoy it. Come on, baby. No. All that meat out. These crawfish were big too. I ain't mad at you. I was watching the show just to fill in, because I know I said it was going to be quiet. You know I gotta talk. I was watching the show on Hulu. People are crazy. It was called Candy. It's called Candy. It's on Hulu. This woman had an affair on her husband. Wound up falling in love with the man she cheated on her husband with. Kills his wife. What in the world is wrong with people? But yeah, it's a 4-episode, and it's based on a true story too. Whatever. Lock her up and throw it away, damn kid. I can't wait for Shy to come back out. The Shy, I'm waiting on that. That was good. I think they got 5 seasons or 4. The Shy's a show Mm. It comes on, this is Showtime. It coming out next, ooh, Razor. Ooh, I got a backlash. Ooh. I almost took my, oh Lord. See, that's why I'll be acting all close up on me like that. Anywho, damn, made me lose my train of thought. Damn food. I just, oh, it's supposed to be coming out, new season coming out next month. Look pretty interesting. I mean, from what I've seen. Look up. I gotta put some more. This is way, little lady. Ooh, Lord, have mercy. I'm getting full though. I ain't gonna even hold you. I'm getting full. I don't know if it's because I ain't ate in a minute, or I'm eating fast like I always do. Spice trying to take me out. Excuse me. Spice trying to take me out. There's a lot of little claws spreading around. Ooh, sausage. Y'all don't understand. When I came down, look at these little sausages. I cut them up. But it's so good. No, come on. I apologize for messing this up. I had to get down to get down. Crumbs up. Sorry, guys. Ooh, that's gonna be it for your girl. Good. First time back, I ain't trying to overdo it. I don't know. Don't worry, this stuff's gonna be eaten. It's gonna get eaten. Eaten, well, we want to. But thank y'all for tuning in. Woo! Thank y'all for tuning in. And I appreciate everything and everybody. Love yourself. Love your family. Because you never know, tomorrow's not promised. And I'm going to say, I did pray for them. You know, just keep your loved ones close to you. I know today was a wild video. I just wanted to come back and say hi and, you know, do something. Because I've been sick. So thank y'all. Continue to support me. Thumb the video up. Leave a comment if you can. I greatly appreciate it. And please subscribe. Because I found out a lot of people that's watching not even subscribe. So if you can, just subscribe. It doesn't hurt nobody. It benefits me. But thank you. I greatly appreciate it. So anywho, this is what we do over here. Because Chronicles in my life. Chronicles in my life. Not your life, but my life. Chronicles in my life. Chronicles in my life. Hi. Bye, koalas. Have a good day.